Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Malcolm Drive in St. James and overlooking the city of Montego Bay, with breathtaking views of the ocean, the Bogue Islands, and the mountain scape, sits this adorable, immaculately kept 3 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom house on over half acre, gently sloping, fully landscaped with enclosed boundaries. Features include ornamental plants and fruit trees, mangoes, pear, coconut, and banana trees, just to name a few. The house comes with spacious living and dining, kitchen, powder room, and it boasts copper piping throughout the entire house. No PVC piping to cause unexpected leakages. Amenities such as water tank, water heater, portable air conditioners, and ceiling fans. There is an option to purchase all or some of the furniture seen in this house. Just 5 minutes from shopping, supermarkets, medical facilities, financial institutions, entertainment, high schools, and universities. Just 10 minutes from the Cornwall Regional Hospital and 20 minutes from the Sangster International Airport. Don't let this beauty slip away. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 440,000 or Jamaican $67.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.